KRUGER Matz Live 7S, and let me show you how to insert here the Nano SIM and micro SD card. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Let's choose power off and tap OK to confirm the operation. Let's wait until your device will be completely switched off, and afterwards let's open the slot for your cards. The slot is located right here at the left edge of the device. Let's simply open the slot by using some thumb tack or special eject tool. Let me just remove the whole tray right here, and here you can insert the Nano SIM and micro SD card. So let me do it. Let's start with Nano SIM card. Here I have such a card with the characteristic edge right here, and let's simply insert this card by using that position right here. Now let's insert the micro SD. Here I have micro SD with the characteristic edge right here, and let's put this card in that position. In that slot you can also insert the Nano SIM, but you have to decide either you would like to use 2 Nano SIM card or 1 Nano SIM and 1 micro SD. That's it, the slot is ready. So now let's insert the whole thing into your device and push it to the end. Now simply you have to switch on the phone by using the power key. Let me do it. And let's wait until the whole process will be completed. Do not interrupt while the device is starting. And now you can unlock the screen. As you can see, the information about SIM card pops up, so it's a really good sign. Let me tap no in my case. But let's find the settings right here. Right, choose here network and the internet. Tap you have to tap here from the following options. SIM cards. As you can see, the device is reading 1 SIM card, so it's a good sign. Let's go back. Let's also choose storage, and here we've got the information about your portable storage, about your micro SD card. So that's it, everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.